Viewers, welcome to ICT. Today I'll discuss about the iPhone 11. Actually, I'll discuss about the price, release date, specifications, and all about Apple new phones. So let me show what is it. Viewers, welcome back. If I say about the iPhone 11 at a glance, then I can give you the few information. Now iPhone 11 is now pre-order available, and the price is started from $699, and the iPhone 11 started shipping on September 10, and it has a 6.1 inches display. It has a triple rear camera, and it run iOS 13, and iPhone 11 powered by the Apple new A13 chip, actually new 13 Bionic chip, and it has no 5G support for the users. Now coming to the specifications of iPhone 11. First, if I want to say about the specifications of iPhone 11, then I have to say at first about camera. Apple made their camera exceptionally well because they have given so many features on this camera. The vital features is they have given the slow-mo. Even if you want to capture a slow picture of your selfie mode, then you can. And in another way, if you want to use front and rear camera at a time in a video, then you can use. So we can say it's the best camera for the Apple ever. There's another great job done by Apple is the stronger glasses for the skin, and back glass also, which is more effective to use, and which will not give you any stress, or normally it will take the small pressure also. And another extreme good things of IP68 water resistant for 30 minutes, which is for 2 meters for iPhone 11, 4 meters for iPhone 11 Pro, and 4 meters for iPhone 11 Pro Max. And where there is no dedicated SD card slot, which is as usual for the Apple phones. And great things, they've used the iOS 13, which is containing dark mode. And another one is the face lock for 30% faster than any other phones, and the view resolutions is 4K, which is a more good looks and user interface for the users. And the metal body, which is stronger than any other metals, and my price is 64 GB is $699, and 128 GB $749, and 256 for $849. It's not much cheaper, but according to the feature of iPhone, it's normally benefit for the users.